SLB Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing, Schlumberger, what the hell is that name, man? What the heck? Yeah, I know, like, it's on the New York Stock Exchange, like 61 billion market cap. Volume has been actually been printing off, I know, like 6% up. But if I come here, it's not the first time that I'm analyzing this. Previously, we had the demand area. And because I had a demand area here, you see this wait with the exclamation mark. I wanted to see my rules met, and there's a reason why this looks like this. And it just never gave me that shift. You know, after it obliterated my demand, I was like, right. Boom, I abandoned it. You know, I never looked at it again. I mean, generally speaking, looking at it from a hard time perspective, like there's really like, I'm only gonna be bullish if it starts breaking with a full candle close on this weekly chart. So because like we're just there, I'm not gonna force anything. I'll just rather wait for this to actually show me whether it really wants to break the week. I mean, yeah, sure, you can trade like the lower time frame if you really want to, but like I myself, I have all these auto ticker symbols, like a lot of stuff's going on, so like I really wouldn't add this to the rooster. Obviously would add alerts, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.